उसगांवच्या सेंट जोसेफ पॅरिश युथान पयले फावट मिनी मॅरेथॉनाचें आयोजन केलां. हे मॅरेथॉन 2 ऑक्टोबराक जातली. सेफ ड्रायव्हिंगाचेर जागृताय हाडपाक ही मॅरेथॉन आयोजीत केल्या. आरडीएक्स खातीर उसगांवच्यान महेंद्र गांवकार.
First time we are organizing this mini marathon in Usgaon, and our basic idea or thought behind it was to create awareness among the youth as well as the adults about the safe driving in a healthy environment. When we say healthy environment, yes, we are also promoting fitness and physical fitness, but at the same time we are making people aware that it is not only the physical fitness that is important, but also keeping our life, our lifestyle and our environment healthy. Similarly with safe driving, as we all know that in Goa, many of our youth, like most of our youth, lose their life or they suffer serious injury because of road accidents and rash driving.
Marathon is about 42 kilometer race, or it is mini marathon 21 kilometer race. And in this marathon, they basically run professional runners. But our motto of doing mini marathon in Usgaon, that is 4 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, and a dream run of 2 kilometer is we want young generation, that is school level and college level, and few of our adults and young people to come on the road and just run or walk for 5 to 10 minutes and just show that when we run for 10 to 15 minutes, that is very important for our health. So that's the reason why we have invited at least 30 schools and 20 colleges, and open registrations also. There are about 200 or more registration open have come. So that is the main aim of our marathon. So आमचो मिनी मॅरेथॉन 2 तारखेक सेंट जोसेफ चर्च उसगांव 8 वरांचेर जावन येतलो. तेजें रेजिस्ट्रेशन जावन फ्री जावन आसा. सो तुमी ऑनलायन रेजिस्टर करूंक जाता, नाल्यार आमकां आमच्या नॉर्मल कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबराचेर रेजिस्टर करूंक मेळटा. बेजिकली आमचे कडेन 300 to 400 स्कूल्स चिल्ड्रन, तशें 100 कॉलेज भुरगे आनी ओपन कॅटेगरीन 100 रेजिस्ट्रेशन जालेलें आहा. बट आय वूड लायक आनी कोण इंट्रस्टेड आसा आनी कोण आमचे मॅरेथॉनाक येवन हो इव्हेंट सक्सेस करूंक जाता तेणी रेजिस्टर करचें. registration will be open till Sunday 30th of September. So I welcome each and every person and to be part of this. And as per the motto of our marathon race, that is, it is not only about winning the race, but it's about experiencing a one.